Hey, I'm Dan over here at Loxo, and this is the Talent Intelligence Workflow. It's a pretty simple framework that solves a frustrating and challenging problem. How do I get myself or my recruiters to make more perfect fit placements? And how do we do that consistently? And how can we scale and do that? Well, 90% of outbound recruiting is spent on candidate sourcing and engagement. The talent and intelligence workflow allows you to work on more searches at once, driving 2 to 5 times more placements per recruiter each year by drastically reducing the amount of manual work required. There is simply no better way to recruit. The talent intelligence workflow happens in 5 simple steps. Step 1, create a job. Enter the role title, the hiring company, and any tags that you want to add, and then click Create. Your job has now been created in Loxo. Step 2. Start sourcing potential candidates. With access to a database of 1.2 billion profiles, including LinkedIn and more than 100 other data sources, and your own database, you have everything you need in one view. So this is the only place you'll ever have to go to source. You don't need to go anywhere else. On top of that, Loxo AI is integrated by default to automatically rank and match candidates in order of best fit to the job and hiring company. Best practice is to go through the first page, then fine-tune from there based on what you're seeing by using the must-have criterion in Boolean. Then you can layer in filters, but if you just do titles, you're going to miss people. Try to source at least 300 target candidates for each job. This benchmark goal of 300 target candidates per job will ensure that you have identified the total addressable talent pool of qualified candidates and will almost guarantee a successful placement. Step 3. Shortlist candidates after carefully reviewing the long list to select the best fit candidates. You've methodically identified the total addressable talent pool with 300 plus candidates. Now you can go through with a fine-tooth comb to identify the very best fit candidates in preparation for outreach engagement efforts. Step 4. Engage candidates with outbound outreach. Once a candidate is added to the outbound stage, automatically add them to an outreach campaign using either a pre-built template of yours or using Loxo Outreach GPT to automatically build a 9-step campaign for you tailored to the job title, the hiring company, and the job description. Step 5. Manage responses and track candidates. The 5th step is managing the responses from your outreach efforts and tracking the candidates as they move through their journey by dragging and dropping candidates from one stage to another based on the responses you're getting. This then leaves you to do what you do best, having conversations with incredible candidates. This workflow will utterly transform your recruiting team. You'll work many more searches at the same time. You'll get more done faster with less chaos. And you'll make 2 to 5 times more placements each year. And you'll be doing all of this from one platform. That is the talent intelligence workflow.